Wanted to making another video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Today we're playing Call of Duty 3, and I'm versus Fierce Enderman. Hope you guys enjoyed. Today we're playing a team deathmatch. I'm in actually I don't know where I am, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a like.
And to mine. We really need this. Oh God!
And Fierce Enderman got a point. Guys, I'm the one on the top and he's the one on the bottom. Just saying.
Woo!
Wee! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And Fierce Enderman subscribe channel. And let's get into it.
Yes, I'm not it. Oh God, I see you. Don't care about this darn thing. Stealth mode.
Huh? Where's he? Snap! Snap!
Infantry down.
I lost again.
Usually you win, but on this video I'm on a roll, right?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a GTA video, so yeah. Let's get into it.
I thought that we could go over there. I thought this was you, so I decided to shoot it.
Snap!
You died.
I tried doing the wall thing, but I died.
I can do the wall thing. Watch. Just wait and see me do the wall, okay?
Overdrive, good to go.
Oh yeah.
I can.
How do I do overdrive again?
How do you do?
Oh yeah, that's how you do overdrive. Whoa, I'm fast now. You can't stop. Where's he?
Well, the question is, where are you?
Where are you? Can I do this, guys? Oh, I can.
Watch this. Dang it. Think it's over you. Yeah. Watch this.
Oh.
And I can even shoot on the walls. Oh God.
Snipe! I'm gonna die!
Where are you? Dang it, this thing cannot do anything, can it?
No, it's a telescope. What's that?
Dang it, I'm out.
You got your battle axe.
Oh God.
Yeah, boy! I got 1 point!
Okay.
Let's see how he... Poor Miguel. Fierce Enderman. This grave of love. And we will appreciate him for his love. Okay, let's leave him alone now.
Yeah, leave my dead body alone.
Oh, snap! I forgot! I thought that was a thing.
I thought I could land on that little
Platform?
thingy. Yeah, I thought I could land on that platform, but I can't. Because this... Okay. Okay. I know I...
What's that? I see that.
You dummy.
I don't know who you are.
Look what you're doing. I'm a god.
No, I see you.
Oh God, he sees me!
doing?
There.
Do you know what I
Ah!
Oh, snap.
I'm not
I feel.
Ah, you dummy.
I thought I can do it.
What's this? No, I thought I could wall climb it.
That's what I thought.
What?
Then I can walk on it. I'm back in my platform.
Platform, yeah, go to your platform first.
Were you trying to do this? Oh, snap! And I'm good. And guys, we're playing unlimited, so whoever gets the most points is the winner for today's challenge.
Wait, I'm a little scratchy today, guys, but don't worry.
Oh, snap.
Oh God, the
Let's
RPG.
Let's use our RPG.
Oh yeah.
Ah! Oh, I survived.
It's the only thing I can literally touch with. Give me the ball. Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Now it's just our crazy sister.
Bruh.
I'm joking. I hope you guys. We said that twice. I don't want to say it 3 times, but so jealous and so fast.
Look at this.
I need a microphone. I don't want to keep on yelling. You don't want to see me anymore.
I didn't mean to get in trouble, baby.
RPG!
I swore I saw you.
Oh, Snap is down there.
This is fun. Please be fun.
Go near something so I can see you. I don't see you.
Right. I don't see you either. Is that why I chose go to you? Yep. You can't really do anything.
Do you see this RPG?
No, I don't.
Oh, Snap. I wasted on my RPG.
Hi.
Sensor.
No. Don't use that on me. I'm going. Wanna know what I'm gonna do downstairs?
I'm gonna find you and kill you and...
Platform.
Oh, Snap! We suck at this game, guys. Guys, tell me in the comments below what should I play next. Wait a second. Veterex! Veterex!
You're trying to get me anyway!
Veterex! Yeah! Let's go for me! Yeah, get X, sucker. Oh, I found something secret! Oh, snap!
That's why I discovered that place.
Oh, come on!
I discovered that place first, so I know you'll probably.
Ah, snap.
Were you trying to get over here?
Yeah, but I died. Wait a second. I just saw you.
No!
Like coming. You fell, loser!
You want me to go like?
I'm Captain America! Oh snap, I made it. This is war! Oh, I still have one more bullet. For the RPG! And yeah, I mean, Fierce Enderman, do you see this? Oh. Where are you? Where are you, bozo? I found it. Oh snap! And I died. I did not see that coming. What an animal! Guys gotta do what guys gotta do. Guys, if you guys will subscribe to my channel, that'll help me a lot. So, because I need a new mic, I need a microphone, guys. I freaking need a microphone.
Why did you do that?
Because I need a microphone! Yeah!
Reloading, that don't count.
Oh, sorry guys. Please subscribe, but I really need a microphone. And Fierce Enderman here needed a new microphone. He's angry, guys. Want to see his face?
Why did you do that to me? I was gonna eat it.
I see you! Ah!
You want to leave the game? Sure, I did. Now you want me to spike you?
No,
I will do it. That's right, I will do it.
you don't know where I am.
Yeah, I know you
RPG! RPG. Where are you, you wuss?
Oh, yeah?
Where are you?
You never find me.
Yes, I will. I'll find you one day. Oh, snap! Ah! Ah! Where are you?
Not coming.
Where the freak? Where the freak? Where the freak is he? Where the freak? There you are! Ah! Oh snap! Reload! Oh snap! I wasted. Oh snap! I'll be right back if you guys. Okay, guys, we're back, and somehow I died by Cool Creeper Fierce Enderman, not out Cool Creeper, and I hope you. Sorry guys, that's gonna be all for today. I hope you guys enjoy, and I guess me and Fierce Enderman were tied. So see you guys next time. Bye.